This journey begins at modern dairy farms with fresh milk. Milk tankers arrive at the ice cream production facility. The milk flows through advanced filtration systems. Impurities are removed using high-precision purification machines. The milk is pasteurized to ensure safety and quality. Cream, sugar, and milk are blended inside massive vats. Robotic arms mix the base into a smooth texture. Natural vanilla flavor is added with exact precision. The mixture becomes rich, thick, and perfectly creamy. Sensors continuously monitor the quality of the base. The liquid cream enters a powerful freezing tunnel. The mixture slowly thickens inside spiral freezers. Smooth frozen ice cream flows out evenly. Machines shape the ice cream into perfect bars. The bars move rapidly along conveyor belts. Robots insert the sticks with perfect alignment. The bars form neat, uniform rows. They harden further inside deep freezing chambers. Fully frozen ice cream bars emerge flawlessly. Premium dark chocolate melts inside steel tanks. The chocolate flows smoothly like a liquid waterfall. Ice cream bars dip into the chocolate bath. Some bars receive a second chocolate coating. The chocolate hardens into a crisp outer layer. Excess chocolate drips away perfectly. Rows of premium chocolate ice creams continue forward. The final finish looks smooth and luxurious. Crushed almonds fall evenly onto the coating. The nuts stick firmly to the warm chocolate. The bars rotate to ensure full coverage. Golden caramel lines are added carefully. The ice creams enter an ultra-cold freezing tunnel. The shell becomes firm and perfectly crisp. Laser scanners inspect every ice cream bar. Any imperfect product is removed automatically. Weight and size are carefully measured. Quality data is monitored in real time. The finished bars move toward packaging. Automated machines prepare the signature wrappers. Each ice cream slides smoothly into its wrapper. The package is sealed to maintain freshness. Branding is printed with high precision. Expiry dates and codes are stamped instantly. Thousands of ice creams are stored safely. The products enter a temperature-controlled warehouse. Freezer trucks are loaded for distribution. The truck doors close, sealing in the cold. The ice creams begin their journey worldwide.